Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty. To begin, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the game's core mechanics. Call of Duty is a dynamic first-person shooter, offering many exciting modes. Start by understanding the fundamental controls for moving your character, aiming precisely, and firing your weapon. Then, select a game mode that sounds fun, such as Team Deathmatch, to jump right into the action and learn as you go. Mastering your controls is crucial for success. Use the left stick to move your character and the right stick to control your camera view, looking around the environment. When engaging enemies, always aim down your weapon sights for much better accuracy before firing with the right trigger. Don't forget to use tactical sprint to cover ground rapidly, especially when rotating between objectives or escaping danger. Call of Duty features a variety of engaging game modes, each with unique objectives. In Team Deathmatch, your goal is simple: eliminate enemy players until your team reaches the score limit, often 75 or 100 points. Domination challenges you to capture and hold 3 key points on the map. Search and Destroy is a tactical mode where one team plants a bomb and the other defends or defuses it. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Spend time refining your aim and quickening your reaction time in various scenarios. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy positions and team movements, helping you anticipate threats. Experiment with different weapon loadouts and attachments to find combinations that best suit your personal playstyle and the specific demands of each game mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.